Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to disable automatic photo downloads and Telegram chats on your PC, especially with the latest update. If you're tired of Telegram saving every photo automatically and cluttering your storage, this quick setting will fix that instantly. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're inside Telegram, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From the menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This is where all your customization options are located. Inside Settings, scroll down a bit until you find the Advanced section. Click on Advanced to open more detailed controls for your Telegram app. Now, under Advanced, look for the option called In Private Chats. This section controls how media behaves in your one-on-one conversations. Click on In Private Chats, and you'll see different media options like photos, videos, and files. Here's the important part. Find the Photos option. To stop Telegram from automatically downloading photos, simply disable the Photos toggle. This means images will no longer be saved automatically when someone sends them to you. After turning it off, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. This step ensures your new settings are properly updated.